just gonna fill the galleys with just a little bit of oil. Assembly lube, been using this for years. It's everyone's favorite part. Give you an idea of the new one versus the old one. See the biggest difference being a number 4 connecting rod. The rod against this part of the crank. Again, we're going back on number 3. And go ahead and just place it down in here. Number 3 will be the first one we torque. And we'll pull it this way, give it a little torque, and 7. I mean, we're right at 7 again.